Hi all, welcome to my channel. Hope you are all doing great. This is for those who want to learn PowerShell. Now we will go through PowerShell commands. Before going to PowerShell commands, we need to launch PowerShell. For that, go to search, type PowerShell and open it. I'm clicking on run as administrator. Click on yes. Now we're able to see PowerShell window. Our next command is start service. The start service command in PowerShell is used to start one or more stopped services on Windows system. It allows to initiate a start process for the specified service. Syntax for start service is start -service space -name space we have to give service name. If you want to start more services, we have to give start -service -name space we have to give service names as comma separated values like service 1 comma service 2 comma service 3 and so on. Now we'll see how to start a service in PowerShell in Windows system. Now we'll go to PowerShell. Now for example, if you want to start a print spooler service, we'll check the current status of print spooler service first. To do that, we have to give get-service -name spooler. If you see the spooler service in stopped status now, we'll see how to start this spooler service. To start any service, we have to use start service command, start -service -name. We have to give a service name. Now start service command executed successfully. Now we'll see the status. To check the status again, we have to give get-service -name service name. See, now the spooler service is in running status after giving start -service -name spooler. Earlier it was in stop status. We gave start service command and gave spooler service name so that it started the service. Again, when we check the latest status with the get service command, it is showing as a running. So it means we have successfully started the service with the start service command. This is all about start service command. Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe to my channel and share your comments below so that it will help me to choose the topics and make videos.